happy today because our Van Wilgen's organic herbs are all ready for planting. You could plant a container outside, except for basil. Basil's a little tender, doesn't love the cold so much. And you could also do an indoor windowsill container if you want in a bright sunny spot, maybe in your kitchen. I took the liberty. I found this little adorable strawberry pot. I thought this one was really cute because it was kind of squat. We normally see the taller ones, but this one's adorable. And I took the liberty of planting up some trailing herbs. Definitely for a strawberry pot like this, a trailing herb would do a little bit better than the upright herbs. So here I have some wonderful English thyme, some golden oregano, which has a really pretty color, and this will fill out and keep trailing down the side of the strawberry pot. Really nice oregano, and then on this side I have a little silver thyme. So it really is a really nice way to present your herbs. And the other thing that you might ask me is, oh my gosh, but they're going to trail so far down. What do I do? That's okay. Get your snippers out. Remember, guys, it's really good to snip your herbs. You want to harvest them. You want to use them. You want to enjoy them. Don't let them go to flower, because if you do that, they just don't taste as good and they kind of go on their way out. They sort of peter out a little bit. So actually harvest your herbs. It's really good to do. So now, yes, I could add some other beautiful herbs on the top of this strawberry pot, some more upright ones like sage or some mint or something like that. But I want to use a little color. You know me, we got to mix and match a little bit. So I'm going to use this little viola because I love the way that purple and green look together. I just think that's a really nice color combination. This one's got a good root system. A little tough to get that one out, but that's okay. That means it's healthy and hardy. And I'm going to plant this one just kind of in the back corner here of this strawberry pot, just to add a little color, because there are no rules really, guys. You can definitely mix and match herbs and flowers. And then I think that makes even a nicer presentation. Then I have this big container of alyssum. Alyssum is also a nice cold hardy plant. So this one, it's actually time to put it outside. I have a big container here. I don't need all of this, so I'm going to split this up. I'm going to make a mess. Remember, gardening is messy, so that's okay. So I'm going to use this little white alyssum because I think this would look so sweet trailing over the side of this pot. And then, of course, I can clean this up a little bit. But doesn't that combination just look cute together? Herbs and a little color from the flowers, so you get the best of both worlds. I think I can fit one more alyssum here on the side. And then here's another little trick about this. You want to make sure you have really good draining soil for herbs. They like to be evenly damp, but they don't like their feet to be super wet. Never let your herbs be soggy. You can let the top inch of the soil dry out before you water them again. The other thing is they do love full sun, but they can handle a little part shade. So if you don't have a full sun spot, don't hesitate. Still plant some herbs. Now, I planted this gorgeous strawberry pot. This is going to go out on my front stoop, but if you do not feel like planting anything up and you feel like it's still too cold and you just want to be inside, then you can enjoy herbs right on your windowsill. And I love these. We have these all done up here at the nursery. This is called our little windowsill kit. This is basil. And the thing that's really neat about this is it's in our Van Wilgen's pot. You can see. And it has this little water wicking device. So all you have to do in this container is fill the water up to the water line. Put the water right in the bottom of the pot there. Then this wicking device is actually a pipe cleaner. But you stick that right in. And that will just wick the water right up to the plant. And then you don't have to water as often. It's much more low maintenance. It can sit right on your windowsill and it will look really sweet and smell great too, which is another great benefit of herbs. And we also have many different colors of them. So for like Mother's Day coming up, we have I Love Mom ones. We even have little bigger decorative ones. So really, guys, now is the time to enjoy herbs inside and out. Remember, harvest those herbs. Enjoy them. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.